Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin using Zelle and explain the safest ways to do it since Zelle doesn't directly support crypto purchases. First, it's important to know that Zelle cannot be used directly inside major crypto apps like Coinbase or Binance. Instead, Bitcoin purchases with Zelle are usually done through peer-to-peer platforms or crypto marketplaces that support Zelle payments. One common way to buy Bitcoin with Zelle is by using a peer-to-peer exchange. Start by creating an account on a trusted peer-to-peer crypto platform that supports Zelle as a payment method. After signing up, complete identity verification if required. Once you're logged in, search for Bitcoin listings and filter sellers by Zelle as the payment option. Review the seller's profile carefully, including their ratings, number of completed trades, and feedback from other users. When you choose a seller, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and start the trade. The platform will place the seller's Bitcoin into escrow while you complete the payment. Next, send the payment to the seller using Zelle through your bank's app. Make sure you send the exact amount and follow any instructions provided by the seller. Do not add notes mentioning Bitcoin or crypto in the Zelle payments, as this could cause issues. After you send the payment, mark the payment as completed on the platform and wait for the seller to confirm receipt. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin will be released from escrow into your crypto wallet on the platform. Always use escrow protection. Never send money outside the platform and avoid deals that seem too rushed or too good to be true. This helps you protect you from scams. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you understand how to buy Bitcoin using Zelle, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.